Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a mojito. Start by gathering your ingredients. You'll need about 10 fresh mint leaves, half a lime, 2 ounces of white rum, 1 ounce of simple syrup, and a splash of club soda. Make sure you have a muddler and a tall glass ready to go. Next, place about 10 mint leaves and 2 lime wedges into your glass. Pour in 1 ounce of simple syrup. Gently muddle these ingredients together. The goal is to release the mint's aromatic oils and the lime's juice without tearing the mint leaves too much. Now it's time to add the star of the show, 2 ounces of white rum. Pour it directly into your glass over the muddled mint and lime. Then, fill the entire glass with crushed ice. Give everything a good stir to ensure all the flavors are thoroughly mixed and chilled. Finally, top off your mojito with a splash of club soda for that perfect fizz. For a beautiful presentation, garnish your drink with a fresh mint sprig and a lime wheel. Your refreshing mojito is now ready to be served and enjoyed. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.